Why do 80% of people love cracking their knuckles? Let's find out. Cracking your knuckles creates a small joint cavity, making gas bubbles pop, giving you that signature sound. And guess what? It doesn't cause arthritis. Studies show no link between knuckle cracking and joint damage. Plus, it can even relieve tension and stiffness. The sound is unique to each person. How cool is that? But be careful not to overdo it, or you might irritate the tissues. Oh, and in some cultures it's viewed as bad manners. So next time you crack a knuckle, remember, it's mostly harmless, but always listen to your body.